guys, thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Yarina and today we will draw something new. Let's say something thematic. So I would like to do a cactus, and today we are also using the Hoo markers and also the Hoo sketchbook. See, here we have also the protection for the next page, which is wow. I was very impressed when that happened and when I received that. And now let's start. So first of all, I would like to be a cactus in the desert. I would not like to have a clear contour of the drawing. Let's start. So in order to draw a cactus, I would like to, first of all, we will draw this type of cactus. This is on the cactus, and let's, in the back of the cactus we also have a small one. Okay, then now let's draw also the vase or whatever this is put on. And yeah, this is the basic part. It's done from basic shapes, so nothing too wow. And let's say this stays on a table, and that will be the background. Okay, and now first of all, let's see if we can make this to have a second side of cacti here showing. And because we have a cacti, we will have a cactus plant. We will have also this type of shapes, but we will not insist too much on this as I want to keep the drawing quite clean. And maybe I would like to add here usually a small pink flower, because this Ho set I have has an amazing pink. And now the bonus. We will draw here we will draw basically small cats. So we will have here two little paws, like a cat trying to climb this small cactus. These are the ears and these are the small paws. So here we have the ear, here is the small paws. Here, here I would like to have just half of face. This one is a little chunkier. Maybe just add her tail also like this. And here I would like to have a small curious face. Yeah, it's gonna take a while until I get used to drawing in this way. Because I'm keep hitting this. Basically this is it. This is the base sketch. We will think more about the cats, but right now let's go try to color. I have bought this set. It was quite nice, honestly. It has a lot of colors, and yeah, I'm quite happy with it. Start with some not so strong green. For the next part, for the flowers, I will add this pink first of all, and I would like to add also here the pink on the planter. Yeah, I like it. Very nice. I will also use this Ohuhu brush, fine liner brush something, but this kitty will have these ears and this one will have stripes. And yeah, now I would like to make some details to the cactus. And now this is my acrylic, and I love it because it's actually good white. I like to add some white details, I don't know why, but it's make the cat a little white here. I also like to put some random strokes of white where I find it so dark to lift up a little. But basically, yes. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will wait for you next week on my channel White Purple Cactus.